Alright guys, what's up? We got a 2021 GasGas EC300 here, finally. We didn't get any of these this year on the original order, and we were able to do a trade and end up with one, but this is GasGas's equivalent to the 300 XCW KTM. And yeah, it's pretty much the same, especially look and stuff, as the EX300, which I've already given you a walk around, but I just wanted to show you this one anyway. I think it looks really good with the headlight on it. And we are still in the early stages of finding out what small nuances these GasGases have, because there are some parts on these things that are different part numbers than the KTMs. I believe the stator is different. There is some stuff that's different, and not everyone's sure what it is yet. Of course, there I was showing you the triple clamps. They're a cast raw metal look, and as far as clamps like that, like, it's not that they're any worse than a machined clamp. It's just that it's a different feel. So even the moto guys, some of them like them more. It's not better or worse, it's just different. You are going to save some substantial money on this over a 300 XCW. I'm not sure right off the top of my head what those numbers are, but it is going to be cheaper. Good general rule of thumb is GasGas is $300 to $700 cheaper across the model line. So, but this one looks sharp, guys, with that red headlight mask and everything. Really like the look of it. This is the only one of these we have, and it's probably, by the time you're seeing this video, it's probably spoken for as well. So definitely a cool looking bike. Just wanted to show it to you guys since I hadn't got to do any of the ECs. Looks sharp, man. I love the look of the red against the aluminum or the silver. I love the silver wheels. You guys can say what you want about me for that. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.